If I'll say this is one of the most simplest Sego Gele ever I have seen or come across. So you want to join me in learning this step by step because you wouldn't want to miss the step. If you are the type that want to tie your Sego Gele by yourself, very straightforward, no hustle, no stress, no wahala at all. So you're going to make foundational pleats after you must have divided your material into equal part, that is 50-50. My foundational pleat is just two, you can make yours three. So this is my two pleats as my foundational pleat, which I'm going to go to the back gently to cross it. If you want your hair to be covered up, then you don't have to do this step, you have to skip this step by opening your hair. I'm going to pull down my hair later, but so that is it. But if you want it to be covered, skip that step. Now cross the hand of the material forward gently like this. Remember, we are on equal division. Make sure your pleats are well laid, very sure. Now pick any of the flap of your choice. Make the pleat down gently like this. Grab the other one and repeat that same process. Now raise the both and place it immediately after the second pleat you made. I'm very sure you have a rubber band, hair band, anything band available there. Grab it and use it to replace your hand at the top, gently like this. Once it is being replaced, make sure it is firm. Right, yeah, let me remember to tell you that. Make sure it is firm, very firm. Now split the material aside. Look for their angles, fold into two like this. Just watch my hand because I don't know, just fold like this. Grab the edges downward, pick your pin, for God's sake, your office pin, pick it up and use it to tack it down right there. Right, watch your hand while you are doing this so that you don't injure yourself. Now after taking it down like this at the back, we are going to go to the other side and we're repeating the same process. So I decided to bring out my hair here because I want to show my hair. So here is it. Now go to the other side, repeat that same process. Take the angle sideways and pin it down. So after you are done pinning down, trust me, you're almost done with this head wrap. And tell me why you will not want to try it out. Tell me, I need one reason why you don't want to try this out, because this is very simple. And tell me, have you ever seen a very simple Sego Gele style like this before? Have you ever? Now you see what I did there. I folded it at the top as well. Grab with pin. What I do to right, I'll definitely do to left. So what I do to right, I'll do to left. Then the middle part, I'm going to merge it up to some extent. I don't want to close everything up, and I'm going to pin it. Use my hand to adjust unnecessary parts, and trust me, you are done creating a beautiful head tie using your Sego material. Despite the art texture of that material, you'll be able to control it, trust me. So if you have watched this length, kindly hit on the subscribe button, subscribe for more hijab tutorials like this, give it a like, share to people that you think might need this, and trust me, your beauty is your priority. And part of that, whenever you have an occasion, is tying a beautiful head wrap. I'll see you guys on my next one.